نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, says that the best person in all of you is that which learn the Holy Quran and then educate it to others. In this regard, we people learning the Holy Quran and its grammar by self, and then we educate to others through YouTube channels. Today our second topic in English language, noun, its definition and its identification. First of all, we discuss about noun, that what is noun. The word used for noun Arabic language or Urdu language is ism. The name of a person, place or thing is called noun, or you can say that the name of anything is called noun. Then furtherly, a noun has two types. First one is known as personal noun, and sifati noun is known as adjectival noun. The personal noun is the noun that show a personality. It means that zati naam is a noun or is a name by which we people brought a personality in our mind. For example, we have an example, kitabun. Kitabun is a noun by which we people represent or brought in our mind a thing or a personality. This is a thing, but it is a personal noun. Only personality has not included in personal noun. Things or the places or all most things are come in personal noun, but kitabun is also a personal noun. Similarly, Allah has a personal noun because it is a personality. Daniel, it is a personal noun because it is a personality. It describes or represents a personality. The second topic is the sifati ism. The word used for it in English is adjectival noun. Adjectival noun is a noun which represents the traits of a personality. For example, we have a personality Allah. It is a trait of kindness. Then the kindness of Allah is the adjectival noun of this personal noun. It means that kindness is a adjective noun because it is a trait, and the trait will be of a personal noun. We have the personal noun Allah, and this is its trait, and we can say that it is the adjective noun of this personal noun. We have another example. Frightened. Dara hua ya khawzada. We have a personality, for example, Daniel. It is a personality that it is a frightened person. Always it frights or it fears, and then it is a trait of this personal noun, and it can be said that it is an adjective noun. Our other topic is the identification of the noun. How we identify a noun? We identify a noun by two methods. First one is common noun, and the other is the proper noun. Common noun is a general name of a person, place or thing. It will be known in Arabic language or in Quran by tanween. A noun which has i'rab of tanween, either two zabar or two pesh or two zer, then it will be known that it is a common noun or ism nakira in Urdu. For example, we have a noun kitabun. First of all, we identifying it that is it common noun. Then we said that our common noun will be known by tanween. It has i'rab of tanween. Then we can say that it is a common noun. And now we people say that what is common noun? Common noun is a general name of a person, place or thing. It is the name of a thing and a general name. We take any book from this kitabun because it is not properized or specialized for any book, because we can take any book from this. We discuss the adjectival noun in this noun. We will discuss the adjectival, the other is the proper noun. It is identifying by these two letters in Arabic language. If a word has alif lam in its beginning, then it will be said that it is a proper noun. Proper noun is a special name of a person, place or thing. For example, we have a noun al-kitabu has alif lam in its beginning, then it is known as that it is a proper noun or ism marifa. We going away from this topic, we coming toward this topic. Now we people will discuss that how a common noun will be changed into the proper noun. We people use a method to convert a common noun to a proper noun. First one, common noun has i'rab of tanween and it is its identification, and proper noun has identification of alif lam. Then when we will convert it to proper noun, then first we should to remove its i'rab, and then two page, then will be replace one page. If two zabar, then one zabar. If two zer, then one zer will be. Then when we convert it into proper noun, first we will remove it, and here we will brought alif lam. Then and this method or on this pattern it will be make a proper noun. For example, we made it as-salihu. It is a proper noun. Here it is present, and this is also a common noun. When we convert it into a proper noun, then it made al-kitabu. Then here a question arises that we said that as-salihu. Keep silent the sound of lam in this example. We should hear the sound of lam in this word. This is the question, and describing this question, before describing this question, I reading this to you people. We have 29 letters or 29 alphabets in Arabic language, but with respect to sounds it is 28. It is divided into two groups. The first group is shamsi huruf and the second is kamri huruf. When a noun begin from shamsi huruf, these are the shamsi huruf. When a noun begin from a shamsi huruf, then alif lam, then the lam of such a words will be silent. These words are ta, sa, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, twa, zwa, lam, noon. And other is the kamri huruf. Kamri huruf are these huruf. We made a collection of these huruf for convenience that we keep it in mind. We prepared a collection of these. It is this hakka khawf ajab gham hai. In English it says that the fear of right is a wonderful grief. We have no work here with dictative meaning. These are the words ha, qaf, kaf, ha, qaf, kaf, alif, kha, waw, fa, ain, jim, ba, ghain, mim, ha, ya. These are kamri huruf, and this is its collection. We made it for convenience. When a word or a noun begin from these letters, then in this word the lam will be read. Here will be the lam read. For example, we said that al-kitabu. This word has begin from the kamri huruf, and here alif lam has not keep silent, should its sound. Now we people going toward the kinds of proper noun. In Arabic language there are 7 kinds of proper noun. The first one is mu'arraf bil-lam. Mu'arraf bil-lam, it is a method by which a common noun is converted into proper noun. The other is ism ishara, demonstrative nouns. It is used for demonstrations. The other is the ism zamir. This is pronoun. It is ism mausula, and it is known as in English relative pronouns. Ism munada, exclamatory noun. Ism alam, it is also personal noun. And the other is the muzaf. It is a topic of explanation, and will be read or teach in next topics it will become. This is our topic of today, and I describing a summary of this. First one is ism, the name of person, place or thing is called noun, and the word used for ism in English is noun. It has two types. First one is personal and the other is the adjective noun. Personal noun has known zati ism in Urdu. Jazakumullah.